We have an immune system that protects our bodies from foreign substances, cells, and tissues. It begins with the first response, called the innate immune system. Say you are jump roping and scrape your knee. The first line of defense, the skin, is breached and pathogens rush in. The body's overall goal is to contain the spread of pathogens and start healing ASAP. This leads to the inflammatory response. In the event of an injury, mast cells and connective tissues call in the innate defensive cells, by sending out histamine molecules. Histamine causes slight inflammation in capillaries, allowing phagocytes leave the bloodstream, help destroy the foreign invaders, and clean up the dead cells. During all this, neutrophils have been doing their best to contain the spread of bacteria, but since they are the first line of defense after the breach, they are starting to die off. The release of neutrophils comes from bone marrow, where they are formed, and the movement of neutrophils to the site of injury is triggered by the injured new cells releasing certain chemicals. When overrun with foreign invaders, innate immune defenses release substances to raise the body temperature, allowing the facilitation of phagocytosis, speeding up body reactions, and hastening of tissue repair. But sometimes, your body faces foreign invaders the innate immune system cannot handle, which leads to the body needing to call in the adaptive immune system.